wishing the world would go away. What's the point of singing songs if they'll never even hear you? Spread like a fever ahead. It was night when you died, my firefly. What could I have said to raise you from the dead? Oh, could I be the sky on the 4th of July? Well, you do enough talk, my little hawk. Why do you cry? Tell me, what did you learn from the Tillamook burn or the 4th of July? We're all gonna die. Sitting at the bed with a halo at your head, was it all a disguise like junior high? Where everything was fiction, future and prediction. Now, where am I, my fading supply? Did you get enough love, my little dove? Why do you cry? And I'm sorry I left, but it was for the best, though it never felt right. My little Versailles. The hospital asked, should the body be cast before I say goodbye, my star in the sky? Such a funny thought to wrap you up in cloth. Do you find it alright, my dragonfly? Shall we look at the moon, my little loon? Why do you cry? Make the most of your life while it is rife, while it is light. While you do enough talk, my little hawk, why do you cry? Tell me, what did you learn from the Tillamook burn or the 4th of July? We're all gonna die. We're all gonna die. Signs and wonders, Perseus aligned with a skull, slain Medusa, Pegasus, a light from us all. Do I care if I survive this? Bury the dead where they're found, in a veil of great surprises. I wonder, did you love me at all? The only thing that keeps me from cutting my arm, cross-hatch, warm bath, holiday in after dark. Signs and wonders, water stain writing the wall, Daniel's message, blood of the moon on us all. Do I care if I despise this? Nothing else matters, I know. In a veil of great disguises, how do I live with your ghost? Should I tear my eyes out now? Everything I see returns to you somehow. Should I tear my heart out now? Everything I feel returns to you somehow. I wanna save you from your sorrow. Signs and wonders, sea lion caves in the dark, blind faith, God's grace, nothing else left to impart. Do I care if I survive this? Bury the dead where they're found, in a veil of great surprises. Hold to my hand till I drown. Should I tear my eyes out now, before I see too much? Should I tear my arms out now? I wanna feel your touch. Should I tear my eyes out now? Everything I see returns to you somehow. Should I tear my heart out now? Everything I feel returns to you somehow. Carrie Ann Lowell, such a long time ago, like a dead horse, meadowlark drive your hero, season of hope after the flood, Valentine spurn my sorrow. Head on the floor, covered with blood, drunk as a horse. shadows and light conspiring. Covered bridge ice cream. Cottage grove shade invite me. I will bow down. Titles love and Lord of the ancient waters. From a backyard as far as she went, Carrie surprised me. Erebus on my back, my lucky charm. Carried by stars, fairyland all around us, like a dead horse. Sign of your children's fever. Carry come home, seeds friend, holding your hands with hope. Like a dead horse, shall we ascend? Flight of the mayfly, ephemeral on my back. She breaks my arm. Are we to speak? First day of the week. Stumbling words at the bar. Beauty, blue eyes, my order of fries. Long Island kindness and wine. Beloved of John, I get it all wrong. I read you for some kind of poem, covered in lines, the fossils I find. Have they no life of their own? So can we pretend sweetly before the mystery ends? I am a man with a heart that offends with its lonely and greedy demands. There's only a shadow of me in a matter of speaking. I'm dead. Such a waste, your beautiful face, stumbling carpet arise. Go follow your gem, your white feathered friend. Icarus point to the sun. If history speaks of two baby teeth, I'm painting the hills blue and red. They said beware, Lord hear my prayer. I've wasted my throws on your head. So can we speaking, I'm dead. I'm holding my breath, my tongue on your chest. What can be said of my heart? If history speaks, the kiss on my cheek, where there remains but a mark. Beloved, my John, so I'll carry on, counting my cards down to one. And when I am dead, come visit my bed. My fossil is bright in the sun. So can we contend peacefully before my history ends? Jesus, I need you, be near me, come shield me from fossils that fall on my head. There's only a shadow of me in a matter of speaking, I'm dead. Now that I fell into your arms, my only lover, give out to give in. I search for the capsule I lost. Drag me to hell in the valley of the dead. Like my mother, give wings to a stone. It's only the shadow of a cross. I slept on my back in the shade of the meadow lawn, like a champion, get drunk to get laid. I take one more hit when you depart. I'll drive that stake through the center of my heart. Lonely vampire inhaling its fire. I'm chasing the dragon too far. There's blood on that blade. Fuck me, I'm falling apart. My assassin, like Casper the ghost. There's no shade in the shadow of the cross. My Just when I want you in my life. Search for things to extol. Friend, the fables delight me. My blue bucket of gold. Lord, touch me with lightning. Raise your right hand. Tell me you want me in your life, or raise your red flag. Just when I want you in my life. Oh, to see without my eyes. The first time that you kissed me, boundless by the time I cried. I built your walls around me. White noise, what an awful sound. Fumbling by Rogue River, feel my feet above the ground. Hand of God, deliver me. Oh, woe, woe is me. The first time that you touched me, oh, will wonders ever cease? Bless Christian who died. Alexander's lover. Now my riverbed has dried. Shall I find no other? Oh, is me. I'm running like a plover. Now I'm prone to misery. The birthmark on your shoulder reminds me. How much sorrow can I take? Blackbird on my shoulder. And what difference does it make when this love is over? Shall I sleep within your bed? River of unhappiness, hold your hands upon my head till I breathe my last breath. Oh, woe is me. The last time that you touched me. Oh, will wonders ever cease? Blessed be the mystery of love.
She got attacked by a pack of dogs. But she said it's okay. I got some wilderness skills beneath my belt. She said she used to be a part of a scout team. They nearly meet her leader one time. They didn't have enough thread to sew the patches on. She said, you know how you heard about that family that burned down in that house? Well, that was her. She said it was just some hoax that you made up to watch people cry. Yeah, she whispered to me softly. Do you want me? Just how I am. Do you need me? Where I stand. Let's go steady. Let's make a plan. Marinate on that for a while. She wanted to die by a river. She wanted the tide to come up and drag her away. the tree line fall away. She used to draw rainbow faces in the sand. But the rainbow made the face sad. Had bits of foam coming out the bottom of its mouth. It's kind of funny that way. What do you want? How I am? Do you need me? Where I stand? Let's go steady. Let's make a plan. Marinate on that for a little while. Yeah. I've been finding the time to be bored out of my mind. I've been working for days. I don't have the time to play your kind of parlay. So won't you come home soon? Won't you come home soon? We aren't really here till we found a way to die, a way to die. Talking emptiness into the air, long shots and religion. The saloon is my refuge. Uptown folks pay very well indeed. Uptown folks pay very well indeed. Back to the garden, whether it's books, love or war. Don't chop wood for practice. Your place is here in the world. Delirium, delirium. Maybe it's just cold outside. Crooked bones, shoulder king's feet. Uptown folks pay very well indeed. Uptown folks pay very well indeed. Back to the garden, back to the garden, we will go. Back to the garden, back to the garden, we will go. Back to the garden. Post hasn't made it here for days. We've been walking around every which damn way. The clouds are coming, they're knocking on my window pane. They wanna know what it is that I got planned. Should make you feel alright. Should make you feel okay. Should keep you up at night. Oh, she got them honey gone. She got them honey gone. She got them. She got them honey gone. She got them honey gone. house seen the front stairs, but it just melted away.
If it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, I'd be married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go?